वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का वंस अगेन हेयर। सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स हैं फॉर द बैंक पेंशनर्स, उसको देखेंगे। सो लेट्स सी, उसको स्टार्ट करें। द फर्स्ट अपडेट दैट वी हैव हियर इज रिगार्डिंग द AIC PN डाटा. So as we know, the bank pensioners dearness allowance is arrived based on the index numbers for the quarter April, May and June 24. So AIC PAN for May has to be published on 28th June 24 as per the Labour Bureau, but the same has not been released as per the scheduled figures of February, March and April 24th. So यहाँ पे is it becoming a routine to delay? सो लेट्स सी। उसके बाद अनदर जो एक्स ग्रेशिया रिव्यू को लेके अभी हॉनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया को लिखा गया है। सो एज एग्रीड ऑन 8th March 24 इन एक्स ग्रेशिया मैटर, इट इज़ टू बी रिव्यूड इन अप्रैल एवरी ईयर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 24th. So IBA convened a meeting, but review could not be done as the bank's financial results were not published in the financial year 23-24. So banks' financial results have since been finalized and all banks have made splendid performance. So pensioners deserved fine-tuned ex gratia, so which is very meager at present, and we are hopeful that under your guidance and instructions it can be made decent and presentable. So यहाँ पे ये ex gratia को लेके अभी हाल ही में यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण जी को ये लेटर यहाँ पे लिखा गया है रिलेटेड टू द एक्स ग्रेशिया रिव्यू, जो कि मेरे अकॉर्डिंग एक्स ग्रेशिया रिव्यू यहाँ पे दोस्तों होना चाहिए, बिकॉज द वे पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स आर बाउंसिंग विद अ वेरी गुड रिजल्ट, इट शुड बी रिव्यूड। जो एक्स ग्रेशिया है वो यहाँ पे रिव्यू होना ही चाहिए। Another update that we have here, that's a good update, not for the bank pensioners but for the pensioners. कैसे? France Ministry has passed the orders to implement the increase of additional 5% pension to retired employees at the age of 65, 70 and 80 instead of paying 20% at the age of reaching 80 years. So Department of Pension and PW has passed orders for its early implementation of the parliamentary committee recommendations. So thanks to Government of India, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi government and Parliamentary Recommendation Committee for considering the grievances of central government retired employees. So उनके लिए तो ये काफ़ी अच्छी अपडेट है, but from the bank pensioners point of view that's a not good update. So these are the various latest today's update that we need to discuss here. And in the last that we have update from the PNB Punjab National Bank 27th of June regarding a reminder notice for extending an option of pension to the resignees who were otherwise eligible to join pension scheme under the Bank Employee Pension Regulations 1995. So last date for submission of undertakings. So with this, that's all for this session friends. So kindly share the update and subscribe to the channel for the latest banking, pension and other.